What is DevOps? I know lately most of you might be wondering, I want to become a DevOps engineer, but what exactly DevOps is all about? DevOps is a term or a keyword which is formed or maybe coined by Patrick DeBois in the year 2009, around 2009. Is actually a combination of development and operation. Now, usually in the development life cycle, whereas in the Agile or maybe SDLC, there's a development team and there's a maintenance or operation team. And once the project is developed, the developers will continue working on different projects, and the maintenance team or operation team will work on those support systems or maybe the tickets or enhancements. The process which brings the both development and operations together is called DevOps, where the developers share multiple responsibilities. A developer should know the entire development lifecycle. They know how to test, know security, deployment, maintenance, so how to handle the projects, tickets. So it's like the developer, instead of having two hands, the developer do a lot of things now. And that's why most of the DevOps engineers' salaries are a little higher, because they're sharing responsibility of multiple roles. So what are the ideal skills to have? So what are the ideal skills to become a DevOps developer? One, you should have a good soft skills, and along with the programming languages which is most needed for that particular project or the company. And probably you should also know about some of these automation tools, like the shell scripting, or wherever there's automation involved, you should be knowing that. Also, you should be knowing the testing tools, how to test these projects, not in detail, but at least at a unit level, or some level of testing knowledge is also important to become a DevOps engineer. Along with testing, you should also know the security aspects of that IT project. What kind of encryption you're using, what kind of cryptography, how the applications are secured. And at the same time, you should also know the application deployment, the server side, know how the app is working, how do you want to scale up these projects. So as I said, it's not just the development, there's much more than development for the DevOps engineer. And along with that, as I said, development, it goes along with the entire role. Along with development, you're doing much more than that. So this is what DevOps is all about. It's the agile process where the development and operation teams comes together. The persons shares the multiple responsibilities by replacing the legacy waterfall model. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope now we have a clarity what is DevOps, and thank you again for subscribing to my channel. And if you have any questions on DevOps, do let me know in the form of comments. I'll be responding to you as soon as I can. Thanks again. Do subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and share this with your friends so that they can also learn about DevOps and in general about technology through my channel. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye.